Class 7, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So student, today we are going to start our assessment number 2. So student, let's start this assessment number 2. Class 7, today we are going to start our assessment number 2 based on chapters 5 to 8 chapters. So let's start this assessment number 2. First A part, take the correct answer. So first question is, student, which QBasic statement allow you to draw lines in 8 different directions. So different direction of 8 direction are draw shape. So draw C part is correct. Second, which loop uses the keyword step? Keyword step follow the for next loop. A part is a correct. Third, which of these is an empty tag? So BR is an empty tag. A is a correct answer. Fourth, which tag allow you to add various types of headings in a web page? So HN and HN close tag is a type of headings. B is a correct. Fifth, who developed the HTML language for creating web pages? So Tim Berners-Lee invented the language. Now next B part, fill in the blanks. So first question, the dash is an image editing software used for modifying and retouching image. So Photoshop. Second, the resolution of an image displayed on this screen is given in dash. So PPI. Next, third, in HTML dash are used to specify how a particular element in a web document will be displayed by the web browser. So it's a tags. Fourth, a dash is a variable that keeps track of the number of times a loop is repeated. So counter variable is repeated. Fifth, dash are the small self-contained application meant to be used mainly on mobile devices. So apps are small self-contained application. Now students, next C part, come on, next part, match the columns correctly. First, Twitter. So Twitter is a social networking website for tweeting views. Second, Facebook. Facebook owns the popular WhatsApp application. C, circle statement. Circle statement used for drawing circle and ellipse in QBasic. 4.tiff. So a file format to store heavy graphic files. Fifth is a magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool is a selects object based on different edges, color. Last, sixth, nested loop. Nested loop is a loop that exists within another loop. So next is a D part, state whether these statements are true or false. First, in the for next loop, this step value can never be negative. So it's a false statement. Second, for a printed image, the resolution in given in dot per inch. Dot per inch is a true statement. Third, youtube.com is a video editing site created and owned by Facebook. No, it's a false. Fourth, using the paint statement, you can even add sound to a graphic. Sound graphic the even adds, so it's a false statement. Last, fifth, the inverse option in Photoshop is found in the select menu. Yes, it's found in a selected menu, so it's a true statement. Next, E, last part, it's your answer these questions. So first question is, why is it better to use the magnetic lasso tool to select an image with complex edges? So the magnetic lasso tool draws fastening points that stick the selection border to the edges of the object being selected. So it is better to use the magnetic lasso tool to select an image with computer edges. Second, what is the magic wand tool? What is its signification? So magic wand tool is a selection tool that allows us to select adjacent area of an image with the same color. Third is what are counters, accumulator and QBasic, write their importance. So counter are the variable that keeps track of the numbers of times a loop is repeated in a QBasic program. Accumulator or the variable that stored the sum of the numbers entered during the execution of a loop, and counter and accumulator are needed to form a loop in the QBasic program. Fourth question is, your write 3 precaution one should take while using social networking websites. So first point, we should use a strong password for our social networking account. Second, we should not share our personal information with an unknown person. Third, last point, we should check the privacy policy of a social networking site before using it. So it's your answer number 4. So fifth class, write two differences between container tags and empty tags. So container tag have a starting on tag and ending off tag. So but empty tag have only a starting on tag. And second point, container tags define how the content contained with them should be formatted, whereas empty tags give formatting constraints. So it's a answer number 5th. So student just completed answered this question in fill it your book assessment number 2. So class 7, your today's homework is do assessment number 2 in your book.